It's very common to heat with wood stoves in this part of the country, and there are a lot of them out here. Many people rely on wood stoves, including myself, as their primary source of heat. I'm David Irwin, and the ThermaFan Kit is my innovation. Once the ThermaFan Kit is assembled, just place it on your stove and that's it. You don't have to worry about batteries or plugging it into an outlet. You can enjoy going about your business. This is going to make your stove more efficient. It is certainly going to reduce your heating costs, perhaps as much as 20%. The ThermaFan Kit operates in a temperature gradient. An electrical current is generated. It converts the heat from the wood stove to an electrical current, which powers a little mower, which drives the fan blade. I purchased a house in eastern Oregon, and a wood stove was the primary source of heat. I thought that it would be fun to build some sort of fan that would make the stove a little bit more efficient. I realized that there were no kits on the market, so I tinkered. It occurred to me that this might be a nice kit to assemble, and also it could be an educational experience as well. In order to go beyond the prototype stage, we need to purchase inventory, improve some of our components, and move on into full production. Please support us today.